Hello guys, welcome back to Gladys Kitchen Recipe. Today is the first time of coming across this channel. You are highly welcome. Today's guys, I have a very mouth-watering seafood rice recipe that we'll be making today. These are the ingredients I'll be needing for this recipe right in here. I have rice, strip here, puree tomatoes, dry white drea, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, basil leaf right in here, vegetable oil, seasoning cube, curry, salt to taste, black pepper. Here I have a chopped onion. Okay guys, right in here inside this jar I have boiled water right in here that I will be using for this for this recipe as well. I will be adding to this rice. Okay, I will just wash it with this boiled water. Okay, here is the pot I will be using guys. Now I just have to add the olive oil that I will be using. Okay, I will allow it to blush a little. Okay guys, now I will be adding the chopped onion. Okay, we'll allow the chopped onion to fry a little. Okay guys, now I will be adding the puree tomato. And after I will be adding the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper as well. Then I mix. Cover it up for some few minutes to get cooked before adding the seasoning cube. After some few minutes, so I open it and add the seasoning cube, the salt, okay, the curry, the black pepper. Just add the whole of the seasoning cube. Add some basil leaf. Then we stir. The strip. The white drea. Now try to mix it together with the sauce tomato. Okay, the fish as well. Now guys, I will not be adding any water to it. Okay, I will leave it for a few minutes to cook the whole of the legume. Okay, the ingredients to cook together before adding some water. So I have to cover it for some few minutes. Okay guys, after some few minutes, the sauce have sit already on the seafood, so I have to take some of the seafood out of the sauce tomato. Okay, okay guys, now I will be adding rice. Okay, the washed rice. Then remains. Add some salt if necessary. Some water to cook. Okay, so guys, as you can see that. Okay guys, as you can see, after some few minutes, this is what we have right in here. Okay, now I'll be adding the trip. Okay, we added the trip to it on this space right in here. Okay guys, as you can see, so I'll be adding the fish right in here. Okay, the trip as well. Okay guys, you can see that. Okay guys, you can see that. Now I'll be adding some water. Okay, because the rice is not cooked enough. Okay, you can see the rice. Add some water to it. We added some water to it, guys. So I will allow you to cook more. The aroma is incredible. Yummy, 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 guys. Yummy, 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 yummy. See how yummy it is. So yummy, guys. Guys, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to on the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever I have a new upload. Okay guys, see you in my next video and have a lovely day. Bye bye.